Okay, welcome back. It is day 225, I think, or six. Um, yeah, so today I went into lab again, just for a little bit to go and look at the model. It hit like 97, 98% on distinguishing between moving and idling. But it still is pretty sucky on like actual specific movements. It's like 70%. Which isn't horrible, right? It's not like a coin flip, which is good. There's actually a pattern being recognized. It's just, and I think I know actually why a lot of the misclassifications happening is so if I have, like my router over here and it's firing 1,000 rays, um, if I am in the corner of the room on like the other side of the room, there's only like maybe 3 rays hitting me, right? So let's say I do an animation that is like pretty wild, right? Like arm flapping. Um, I hate my hair. Sorry, it's actually driving me insane. And um, let's say I'm doing like arm flapping in the corner, and I'm only affecting 3 rays. The amplitude's not going to be changing that much because from the total path sum, those three, even if they are extended by a lot and go down, or they shorten by a lot and they go up, the total amplitude change isn't crazy. Um, so it's like maybe you see like a little squiggle. Now let's say I'm standing in front of the router, um, then that little squiggle, or I should say, when I'm idle, I have a little squiggle, like the same as the other one, because my idle animation, even though it looks like I'm not like moving at all, it has like breathing to it, and that does affect like the ray traces. So the only thing that I don't get though is why it's not doing, why I can't tell the difference between, because when I'm standing in front of that, the amplitude should go down, because I'm blocking direct line of sight, which takes away a lot of power. And now that I'm actually thinking about it, in my graph, it goes up, I'm pretty sure. So that's something I should probably look into. But I think I think to see, okay, I need to submit my poster by end of day Tuesday. It would be so amazing if tomorrow I can get it set up to run the simulation overnight and then run the model Tuesday morning and hope to God I get some good results. If I don't, it's not the end of the world. I still have weeks until the end of this program, but it'd be nice to be able to put those results on the poster. Um, as for the leak code, and I need to hurry up because it was a very short leak code. I did, it was like given an array, each individual number treated as individual numbers of themselves, and then sum it in the minimum summed value, just return that. So the easiest way I could think of was turning each number into a string, because you can do a for loop, just like a for char in the string and go through each element. And that way I could treat it all separately and then convert it back to an integer when I was doing my summation of those, and then return the minimum. In place, I was replacing all those because I didn't need to remember them afterwards. So yeah, that is all. I will see you tomorrow for day, I think, 226. Maybe it's 227. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Take care. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.